nieces and nephews. It's Uncle Chris. I just went to the food pantry and I got
Uncle Chris, what you got cooking? Smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
so let me show you. We are going to start from left to right, and I'm so excited. I'm not even going to show you what's down at the other end because that's a surprise. The church was having an emergency giveaway because of the power outage everybody experienced. So let's start with some wonderful collard greens. Boom. Hold on, let me open these collard greens. Yes, I got them open now. Look at this. Ooh. Yep, soul food, soul food. We got some wonderful lettuce, romaine, organic, 2 things of it. Now this has probably got to be used real quick, but that's all right. I'm happy. Then we got a can of ravioli. I don't know why I just got 1 can, but that's okay. A frozen black cherry sparkling water. Oh, I can't wait for that. Look, little breakfast sandwiches. Oh, these are so cool. These are so cool. Quick morning breakfast for Jay. Now, you all, let me jump over here. Are you ready for this? Here we go. Boom! We got an emergency meat supply. Let's start with this. Hickory cheddar, cheese. 3 containers of prosciutto. Oh. 2 things of Jimmy Dean sausage. I'm so excited I can't speak. Look at that. 2 of these. You can do a lot of things with these. I'm going to show you sausage casseroles, all kind of stuff. A huge container of Prego traditional sauce. 2 garlic hummus. Roasted garlic. Look at that. Roasted garlic hummus. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Then we got a pack of lunch meat and cheese. I can do sandwiches for Jay's lunch. Ooh, yeah. And the other kids, too. I got some hickory smoked bacon. 3 packs. Now, you know what? I'm going to use that to make them their greens. Yes, that's right. I got some pepperoni. I can make pizzas with these. Jay absolutely loves pepperoni. He is just head over heels with it. So I'm going to make him a pepperoni pizza. Now, I got some Gulf shrimp. The cooked ones, peeled and deveined, 31 to 50 count. I'm so proud of that. Now down here, we have a mystery box. I want you to guess what is in the mystery box. Right down below before I open it. Should I do it in this video or should I do it in the next video? All right, I'll be nice. I'll be nice. Boom. Look at this. Look at this. I got a box of cheese. A box. Now I'm going to share this, of course, with other people that need stuff that can't get out. Because I know exactly who wants this. Look at this, y'all. Look at it. Spicy Mexican style blend. Oh, I can't wait. I can make quiches with this. I can freeze this, save it for the holidays. I can make my spicy Mexican macaroni and cheese. I've never made that for you all. But yes, you are going to love it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the blessings. Look at them. Tell me God is not good. Tell me mankind doesn't have kind people still in it. I am so overwhelmed thanks to the charity, goodness, and kind-hearted people that donated to the church for people who had lost their power. And I'm not going to lie to you, nieces and nephews. It's been a little bit hard because we lost a lot of food and we just didn't have money to replace it. And I wanted to bring you some recipe videos and I couldn't. Just because, to be honest, we did not have food. And we've had some other things come up. And if you can give me a super thanks or buy me a cup of coffee, it would be greatly appreciated. Because I want to still and continuously give you good content, okay? Now, if you need help, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. I would definitely want to bring you some food. I don't have a problem with that. If you're in the Chicago area, I'll do it. If you're in the Indiana area, I'll do it, okay? Now, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe, okay? And I want you to show somebody some love, all right? Hey, guess what? I'm going to be doing food pantry runs, trying to all this week, which means I go to food pantries, I pick up some wonderful items, and I give them to people that are in need, okay? So come with me on our journey and see what I get, all right? Let me know what you want me to cook down below, okay? All that stuff I got, I know you got recipes. Ooh, spicy beer and cheese soup. All right, I love you guys. Bye-bye.